Number 1. The 1973 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $9,000, located in Las Vegas, Nevada. It is in excellent condition for its age. With only 84,000 original miles, this car is fully functional and driven weekly. The 400ci engine has received several upgrades, including an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, a weigh-in intake, and an updated ignition system. The rear suspension has been fitted with new air shocks, while the front bushings have also been replaced. The interior has been fully restored, including a new dash cap, and both the radio and heater work well. The AC still functions but only blows warm air. The car retains its original paint and remains mostly original, including the build sheet and factory manual. It is in very clean condition with no rust, both underneath and on the body, thanks to spending nearly its entire life in Nevada. Additionally, the braking system has been updated with a new master cylinder, and the car features early 70s Ford turbine-style hubcaps. With dual racing exhaust, this car not only looks classic, but also delivers improved performance. Number 2. The 1962 Ford Falcon wagon, priced at $8,500, located in Los Molinos, California. It is in fairly good condition for its age. The original engine and transmission have been restored and have been driven less than 100 miles since being rebuilt, meaning the mechanical performance should still be very fresh. Visually, the body is clean with glossy red paint and intact chrome accents. The interior features a red and white color combination with red fabric seats that appear quite comfortable, though there are some typical signs of wear. The headliner is clean, and the rear cargo area is spacious and functional, indicating the car has been well cared for. It has a clean California title in the current owner's name and is currently in non-operational, non-OP status, meaning it is not registered for the road but has clear legal standing. Overall, this is an appealing classic wagon for driving or collecting, even if it is not in perfect condition. Number 3. The 1974 Plymouth Satellite, priced at $9,000, located in Macomb, Michigan. This car has been modified with a distinct Mopar look, including a black painted hood with a bold Mopar logo. The exterior is painted orange with black accents and features side louvers on the rear pillars. It is powered by a 318 V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor paired with a 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission. Several mechanical updates have been made, including a new radiator, a new water pump, and improved brakes with new calipers, resurfaced rotors, new brake pads, new wheel cylinders, and new brake lines. However, the car still has an issue with the braking system, likely due to a clogged proportioning valve preventing brake fluid from reaching the calipers. The interior features seats with checkered leather covers and a steering wheel wrapped in a fuzzy protector. Overall, the car runs and drives, but requires further brake repairs before being safely driven. Number 4. The 1968 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $6,500. Located in Madera, California. Powered by a 390 cubic inch 6.4L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this car runs well with no issues shifting gears or braking. It has received several upgrades, including a Flowmaster dual exhaust system, front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, a power brake booster, and power steering. The black interior panels are in decent shape, with leather seats showing some signs of age. The dashboard has some aftermarket additions, such as a sporty wood steering wheel and functional auxiliary gauges. A manually operated electric fan switch has been installed to help with engine cooling. The car does not have AC, but the defogger and wipers work properly. The audio system has been modified with a subwoofer installed, though currently disconnected, and speaker wiring in place. Legally, the car has a clean California title with current registration. Number 5. The 1970 Ford Maverick, priced at $9,500, located in Hacienda Heights, California. It has an inline-6 i6 engine and is in overall good condition, with a solid body and blue paint featuring a black hood for an aggressive look. There are no major signs of damage or rust on the exterior, though some areas may need attention. The rear lights have been modified or tinted, and the bumper appears to be original. The interior is complete with an original steering wheel and dashboard, though some wear is visible. The car runs and drives and comes with full maintenance records from the first owner, including original stickers from 1970. The current owner is the second owner but has not yet registered the car in their name due to a busy schedule. The car is available for sale or trade for another vehicle. Number 6. The 1967 Pontiac Bonneville, priced at $9,500, located in Metolius, Oregon. This car is in excellent condition with numerous performance upgrades. The exterior retains its classic, elegant look with glossy gold paint and a straight body with no major dents or damage. The interior has been refreshed with new carpeting, a new headliner, a restored dash pad, and a new package tray, creating a clean and comfortable cabin. The engine is a Pontiac 428 that has been overbored by .040 and features 670 cylinder heads that have been milled and gasket matched for higher performance. The exhaust system includes dug headers and a 3-inch Dr. X exhaust, producing a deep, powerful sound. The front suspension has been fully restored, the braking system has been upgraded, and the 3.42 limited slip differential has received new clutches. The car also has a heavy-duty aluminum radiator, new wheels and tires, and a rebuilt transmission for improved performance. Overall, this is a fast, comfortable car that turns heads on the road. Number 7. The 1974 AMC Javelin, priced at $5,500, located in Lakeland, Florida. A classic muscle car that is quite rare on the roads today. The body is in decent condition with some signs of age and wear. The car retains its signature body lines, making it visually appealing. Some repairs have been done, including inner panel welding to remove rust and holes. The inline-6 engine is dusty and aged, but was reportedly running well before being partially disassembled. The interior is in average condition for its age, with seats that remain intact but show wear. Several spare parts for the brakes are included, along with additional parts such as pieces to build at least 3 different dashboards and gauge clusters. The car is sold with a clean title, and there is an option to purchase a set of fresh tires with new wheels for an additional price. This is an interesting project for AMC enthusiasts looking to complete and restore this classic. Number 8. The 1964 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $6,500, located in Jacksonville, Florida. This car remains in original condition with just over 60,000 actual miles. The exterior is well preserved with a cream-colored paint job that has aged gracefully, though minor signs of wear are expected. The chrome front and rear bumpers are still clean and intact. The interior remains original, featuring classic 1960s patterned seats, a complete dashboard, and door panels in good shape. The engine is still original and appears well maintained, though it seems to be undergoing servicing. The seller notes that the car previously ran perfectly, but is currently undergoing a fuel system cleaning after sitting unused for 2 years due to work commitments. The trunk area is tidy and includes additional spare parts. Overall, this is a classic Nova that likely requires only minor attention to be roadworthy again. Number 9. The 1972 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $8,500. Located in Jacksonville, Florida. It has a clean title and is still drivable. Powered by a 350 engine paired with a 350 transmission, the car has had its frame replaced with a newly powder-coated one, providing a stronger and more durable foundation. However, the body and paint need work, as the paint is faded, rust is present, and some areas are peeling. The interior remains in fair condition, with white seats that appear original but need deep cleaning. Some mechanical repairs are required, including replacing the freeze plug and brake booster for optimal performance. The car is physically located in Richmond, Texas, Houston area, and is intended for serious buyers ready to take on a restoration project. Number 10. The 1965 Dodge Dart, priced at $7,500, located in Newhall, California. A classic blue sedan that remains in good overall condition. The exterior paint is still glossy, though there may be some signs of aging. Chrome trim on the bumpers, taillights, and other details is still in good shape. The interior is blue with fabric seats that remain in decent condition without major tears, though there is some wear consistent with age. The dashboard and door panels are original, showing minor signs of use. The 270 inline-6 engine with an automatic transmission runs well and is claimed to be a reliable weekend driver, indicating that the car is still frequently used. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, alternator, fuel regulator, and fuel filter, showing that the owner has taken care of it. However, the fuel gauge is not working and may need fixing in the future. The car has complete paperwork and active registration, making it ready to drive without administrative issues. Number 11. The 1955 Pontiac Star Chief, priced at $9,000, located in Paradise, Texas, a project car that is still drivable. Overall, it is quite solid, with the floor in good condition, though some rust is present, especially around the rear fender and the right rocker panel, which will need patching or replacement. The paint is faded, giving it a classic patina look. The interior shows significant wear, with torn seats that require restoration. The dashboard and steering wheel are original, but show signs of aging. The engine is complete with some updates, such as an aftermarket air filter, but the car needs carburetor and transmission repairs for optimal functionality. The glass is in good condition, and all chrome and stainless trim are still present. With some effort, this car could become a cool classic driver or a promising restoration project. The asking price is $9,000 best offer, and the vehicle title matches the car, so there are no administrative issues. Number 12. The 1966 Ford F-100 Custom, priced at $9,000, located in Florida, in good condition for a project or light restoration. The body looks fairly clean with light blue paint that still shines, though it is likely not the original paint. The bed has been repainted and looks clean with no major damage. The interior needs work, with torn seats that require repair, and the cabin floor currently lacks carpet or covering, indicating that restoration is in progress. Mechanically, the truck is equipped with a 289 Hi-Po engine featuring a Holley Brawler 600 carburetor, MSD Pro billet distributor, MSD ignition, a mild camshaft, and shorty headers, making it more powerful than a stock version. The automatic C4 floor shift transmission can still move the truck onto a trailer, but needs a rebuild for full functionality. Several new components have been installed, including a new windshield, new radius arm bushings, and new Mickey Thompson drag slick tires. The truck has a full posi system, meaning the differential is fully locked for maximum traction, making it ideal for drag racing or high-performance use. With a clean Florida title, this vehicle is a solid base for collectors or classic truck enthusiasts looking to refine it further. Number 13. The 1971 Cadillac Eldorado, priced at $10,000, located in Simi Valley, California. This is a luxurious classic with a distinctive 70s design. Its red paint is new and glossy, complementing the white interior, which is still in fairly good condition. The car is powered by a massive 8.2L V8 500 cubic inch big block, one of the largest engines ever installed in a mass-produced car. Several key components have been replaced, including the starter, alternator, radiator, and battery, indicating that the owner has done some maintenance. However, while the engine still starts, the car has not been drivable since last week, as the engine needs a rebuild. The white convertible top appears to be in good condition. Overall, this is an exciting project for collectors or classic car enthusiasts looking to bring back to life a luxurious American cruiser. Number 14. The 1972 Chevrolet El Camino SS, priced at $7,500. Located in Long Beach, California. This car has a rebuilt 350 V8 engine with a mild camshaft and a recently refreshed transmission. A new exhaust system has been installed, and the car is said to run very well with strong power. The exterior remains in primer, unfinished paint, with some bodywork and metalwork already started. The interior is fairly clean, though some parts remain incomplete, including unfinished door panels. Staggered rally wheels, 15x8 rear, 15x7 front are installed, giving the car an aggressive stance. Some chrome trim has already been replaced. The car has a clean title with active registration until March 2025, and the ownership slip, pink slip, is available. The owner is selling due to lack of space from too many projects. This is a great opportunity for someone looking for an El Camino SS project with a ready-to-go engine, but still needing paint and minor finishing work inside and out. Number 15. The 1991 Buick Century, priced at $800, located in Washington, Utah. It is in decent aesthetic condition but has some mechanical issues that need attention. The exterior has undergone some body repairs and retains its classic red paint from that era. Some parts, such as the front wheels, use steel rims without hubcaps, while the overall condition appears tidy. The interior has a dark red theme and remains well preserved, with fabric seats in usable condition. The dashboard is intact with the signature wood trim typical of Buick models from this time. Several major repairs have been made, including a new fuel pump, new ignition control module, new spark plugs and wires, and tires with plenty of remaining tread. However, the car still experiences engine issues, where it starts but then randomly shuts off, meaning it may need towing or further repairs. Additionally, some windows reportedly do not roll down. Despite the mechanical issues, this could be a budget-friendly project or parts car for someone willing to fix it. Don't forget to watch other videos as well to find the best car for you.